You've probably experienced difficulty seeing clearly while driving in the rain. Today, I'll show you a perfect solution to this problem. Car glass is a surface where various contaminants adhere quickly and strongly. These contaminants form a layer called an oil film, causing water to bead irregularly and obstructing clear visibility. Apply an appropriate amount of X-oil to a polisher and work it over the glass surface. Make sure to create enough friction to evenly break down the oil film, ensuring there are no concentrated spots of product. When using a polisher, be careful not to damage nearby parts. If you don't have a polisher, you can also complete the process by rubbing the surface manually. After completing the process, rinse off the product with a pressure washer. If the glass achieves a perfect hydrophilic state, it means the oil film has been successfully removed. After completely drying the surface, apply Steck Glass Coat to a ceramic coating applicator and spread it evenly over the entire glass. The coating takes effect immediately upon application, so there is no need to wait. As you spread it across the glass, it reacts and bonds thoroughly during the process. Wipe off any remaining product with a clean towel to complete the coating process. If residue is difficult to remove, spray a small amount of OG while wiping. Using OG will not weaken the coating layer. The coating is ready for use immediately after application. Its excellent water repellency prevents water from lingering on the glass, ensuring clear visibility. At speeds above 60 km per hour, you may not even need to use your wipers. The process from oil film removal to coating is quick and simple, providing long-lasting results. In areas where the wipers are frequently used, the effect lasts about 6 months, while in areas without wipers, the performance can be maintained for years. While the coating is maintained, no oil film will form, allowing you to keep the glass clean and well maintained. Glass cleaning goes beyond simple maintenance, it helps ensure safe driving. For your customers' satisfaction and safety, choose Steck Detailing Service. Thanks for watching.